In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use styles in Microsoft Word. If you've ever looked at a document and wondered how to make your text look professional and organized, using styles is the way to go. It's a powerful feature in Word, designed to make formatting text both consistent and streamlined, saving you a lot of time and effort. First, let's get familiar with where you can find styles in Microsoft Word. Open up your document and take a look at the ribbon at the top of your screen. You'll notice there are various tabs, and the one we're interested in today is the Home tab. So go ahead and click on that. The Home tab is essentially your hub for most of the foundational formatting tools in Word, and nestled within this tab is the magic of the Styles group. Now, within the Styles group, you have a variety of options readily available, such as Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and even Title styles. Let's pause for a moment to appreciate why these styles are so important. Applying a style to a section of your text not only changes its appearance to match a predefined format, but also helps keep a consistent look across your entire document. Plus, if you need to make adjustments later, changing a style updates all matched text instantly. To apply one of these styles, start by selecting the text you want to format. Now, decide on the style that fits your needs. If it's the main body of your text, Normal might be your go-to choice. Want to make a heading stand out? Choose Heading 1 for primary headings or Heading 2 for subheadings. If you're aiming to make your title prominent, the title style is great for that. Once you've clicked on the desired style, you'll see your text transform instantly, adopting the formatting attributes such as font type, size, color, and even alignment, predefined by the style you selected. This simple action not only ensures that your document remains visually appealing but also organized effectively. One useful tip is to experiment a bit with these styles if you're not sure which one will suit you. Hover over any style in the Styles group without clicking, and feel free to observe a live preview of how your text will look. This way, you can make a confident choice before deciding on the final selection. Isn't it amazing how just one click can help you achieve that polished, professional look effortlessly? And that's essentially all there is to it. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to enhance your documents using styles, making your work not only look great, but also be consistent and adaptable. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to practice using styles in your documents, and soon enough, it will become second nature. Have a great day, and see you next time.